Hello, ladies and visitors. Welcome. Come on in to the front row. Do you all want to see how I went from this to this? Then you gotta keep on watching. So, ladies and visitors, thank you for coming on in and sitting on the front row to see how I went from Yankee twists to box braids and how these colors just made it so much fun. So I want you to stay tuned into this video. I have listed the steps that I took on this long journey towards that second hairstyle. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below so that I can read them all when I'm finished uploading this video. Y'all know I like to check on each and every one. So stay tuned, stay on the front row, check out all of these steps, and let me know if you like this transition from the Yankee twist to the box braids and which ones were your favorite. And I hope that if you're a visitor that you would enjoy this video and stick around. Join this lady squad. We'd love to have you. All you have to do is subscribe and then tap the bell and you'll be a part of this lady squad too. All right, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed the video. And you know what we say around here, whether it's day or evening, whatever it is, wherever we are, I hope that it is good. Don't forget to pray because we really need it. And then don't forget to slay. All right, everyone. Bye. The whole cheer competition for an hour and a half and it went off. I don't even know who won. What the heck was that? I'm almost done, y'all. Almost done.